Hey guys, welcome to HowMuchDeal, the best portable blenders of 2025 combine powerful performance, sleek design, and ultimate convenience for blending on the go. With USB-C fast charging, durable materials, and advanced blade technology, these blenders effortlessly handle smoothies, shakes, and more. Whether you're at the gym, traveling, or in the kitchen, they deliver smooth, consistent blends anytime, anywhere. If any of the products shown interest you, you will find quick access to purchase them through the links provided in the video description. So, let's go find them out. 5. The NutriBullet Portable Blender is the perfect solution for blending drinks on the go, whether you're preparing smoothies, protein shakes, or flavored water. Equipped with a USB-C port, it delivers up to 15 blending cycles per charge, making it highly efficient for everyday use. The included water infuser allows you to prepare refreshing, spa-quality flavored water in seconds. Its compact and lightweight design, along with an easy-to-open, easy-to-drink cap, ensures easy portability and spill-free sipping. With its user-friendly features and portability, you can blend your favorite drinks anywhere, anytime. This blender is the perfect companion for active lifestyles. 4. The Ninja Blast Portable Blender delivers the power of ninja blending in a cordless, handheld design, making it perfect for smoothies, protein shakes, and frozen drinks. With its 18-ounce capacity, you can blend your favorite drinks in a single serving. The Ninja Blast features the powerful blast blade assembly, easily blending through frozen ingredients and ice. Rechargeable via USB-C, it's always ready for your next blend. Its one-handed, easy-open sip lid and comfortable carrying handle make it simple to drink on the go. Available in premium colors to match your style, it's also dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Take it with you wherever you go and enjoy your blends anytime, anywhere. 3. The NutriBullet Flip Portable Blender is a versatile, travel-friendly blender that combines blending and sipping in one convenient design. Powered by a powerful 11.1 volts USB-C rechargeable battery, it easily blends frozen ingredients and ice. Its stainless steel tumbler keeps your drinks cold for up to 24 hours, making it perfect for road trips or gym sessions. The Flip features a self-cleaning function, allowing for quick and easy cleanup with just a cycle of soap and water. It's compact and comes with a carrying handle. 2. The Ninja Blast Max Portable Blender delivers powerful cordless blending thanks to its innovative detachable base, making it the perfect travel companion. With Ninja Power Blast technology, you can easily crush ice and frozen ingredients from anywhere. The exclusive Twist and Go jar is 50% lighter than traditional motorized blenders, offering unparalleled convenience. With 3 preset Auto IQ programs, you can create perfect smoothies, frozen drinks, and protein shakes with just the touch of a button. Its extra-large 22-ounce capacity ensures you can enjoy plenty on the go. The sip cap and silicone handle make drinking and carrying easy, while the battery life indicator keeps you on the go. 1. The Best Go Cordless Portable Blender delivers powerful and flexible blending wherever you go. Crafted from premium materials and meticulously designed, it transforms fresh and frozen ingredients into smooth smoothies, shakes, sauces, and more. Its 11.1 volts USB-C rechargeable battery delivers 50% more power than standard portable blenders, ensuring smooth blending even for tough ingredients. The durable, BPA-free Triton bowls are 3 times thicker for durability, while the stainless steel blades ensure smooth, consistent results. The thoughtfully designed spill-proof lids and caps make for easy filling and worry-free blending. Versatile and built to last, it's the perfect kitchen and travel companion.